So Noon's friends at Module Bar is throwing her a birthday party next Thursday, and the theme is all black. So I'm headed right now to my tailor to go get something made because I got some black, but you know, it's her day, so I want to look nice. So this video is for people who actually come to Thailand and don't want to wear flip-flops and shorts every day. I know there's thousands of tailors all across Thailand, but I'm a creature of habit. So I went to him the first time I got something made, so I always go back to him. Even though I passed like maybe 3 to 4 tailors on the way here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, getting stuff made here is fairly inexpensive, man. You can get you a whole suit made for less than $200, you know what I mean? And it's good quality, it's not no bullshit. So I guess I got some time because we're in traffic, but we almost had an accident. These 2 ladies, oh man, that was crazy. Pattaya, man. There's a reason why I'm in a taxi and not driving, but I'll be driving soon. You guys will see that video come out real soon. But yeah, I guess I'll give you guys my 2 cents on the shit that's going on in America. Even though I'm in Thailand, I'm still in tune with what's going on out there. I guess I get the bullshit out the way. The first one is the Papoose and the Remy situation. You know, I don't really blame Remy, man. She gonna do what she do, man. She you know, Papoose. And in case you guys don't know, you know what I mean, it's about a failed rapper and another failed rapper, man. You know, they was like so much in love, promoting this black love stuff. I'm not gonna say bullshit because I still do believe in black love, you know. Bullshit. I could tell by the way things was going with them too, they wasn't gonna work out. You know, this guy she did like 8 years in jail. He would go visit her in jail every day. And you know, they had a kid or something like that, and she got back on her feet. And basically, you know, I guess they both, I don't know, man, but it's trending topics in America. I really don't give a fuck. But I just want to say that Papoose played himself. You know what I'm saying? He gave too much of himself to somebody who doesn't really deserve it. Moving forward to Diddy and Jay-Z situation, man. You know, I'm not normally the guy who tells you I told you so, but you know, there was an album by one of my favorite rappers, man. You know, not just Tupac, because Pac been talking that Illuminati shit. My other dude named Prodigy of Mobb D, he spoke against the machine as well. You know, and it was his album where I actually started doing deep dives into that situation. And I used to be up at like till 3 in the morning with a glass of Hennessy, you know, just on internet doing mad research about those people, man. And one thing I want to say, man, is like, you know, everybody thinks God is the only one that gives you blessings, man. The devil gives you blessings as well, man, you know. I want to give credit to this guy who said that, but I forgot his name, man. But it's the truth, you know. Only difference is, you know, the devil takes his shit back, you know what I'm saying? And you'll end up in prison or in the grave somewhere. So I'm not surprised at all about Diddy or Jay-Z or any other entertainer or any other, like I said, any other entertainer, basically. Like, everybody does it. That's in Hollywood, you know what I'm saying? It's just that it's unfortunate that, you know, those two is the catalyst of this thing. I've never been I'm not a fan of nobody, really. I'm a supporter. But I've never been a supporter of Diddy. Like, I can't even see myself being a supporter of somebody whose name is Diddy, Puff Daddy, Brother Love, or whatever else you want to call himself. For real, for real. I was mad that Biggie was messing with him because Biggie, you know, he was a good dude, man. He just was the wrong nigga, you know. And Jay-Z, I have a lot of reservations about that guy, man. You know, like he's somebody I wouldn't fuck with, man. You know, he got some good lyrics. You know, I can't take that away from him. He's a good lyricist and shit like that. People will call him one of the greatest. I wouldn't call him that. But yeah, he did a lot of people dirty in the industry, man. And you gotta be that way when you get to his level, I guess, you know. But yeah, they all gonna reap what they sow, man. And hopefully it don't just stop with, you know, them two. Hopefully they go into the whole shit. And hopefully, you know, I'm pretty sure it's all kind of people involved, man. Politicians, you know what I mean, judges, lawyers, everybody. That's my thing. Don't stop with them two. Keep it going. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to do right by law and order, do right by law and order. That's my take. You know what I mean? Anyway, let me get off my high horse, man. But yeah, this video is basically for those who like to step out. You know, like Kendrick said, sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. So that's what I do from time to time, you know. So I'm gonna take you guys through the process. You know what I mean? Show you guys the place where I get my stuff made. You guys are interested in. You guys come to Pattaya. This is where I go. You know, I get a lot of compliments on my shit, so I just wanted to share this to everybody, man. Stay tuned.
Racing to the finish line. Seatbelt, fast whips, got a win in mind. See me when I skirt off, ain't no 10 in mine. Friends keep saying slow down, should've seen the signs. Riding down the dirt road, where we going, I don't know. God, please protect me, I'm halfway home. Take the wheel right now, I let go. Thinking about the ones I let go. I thought by now you forgive me. No, it's not easy forgiving. Found a new reason for living. Naysayers making noise, all I hear them say.
So that's it. It'll be ready by Thursday. We probably could have had it ready in 2 days, but I said don't rush. There's no point in rushing. So yeah, it's that simple, man, to get stuff made out here. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product once I receive it. So I'm actually going to get it right now. It's ready. It was ready 2 days ago, but I wasn't in no rush to get it. So I'm gonna go in here and grab it, take it home, try it on, show you guys how it looks, and reveal the price.
I thought by now you forgive me. No, it's not easy forgiving. Found a new reason for living. Naysayers making noise, all I hear them say.
So like I said, this video is just for those who like to get dippy from time to time. As you can see, the Tailor is pretty good. This particular material is linen mix. It's not 100% linen because it's kind of like the same material. It's just a little cheaper. Only cost me 3,000 baht. And you guys will see the conversion. I think it's like I want to say $100. I may be wrong about that, but it's gonna be somewhere on the screen. Also, my man Aaron, the Tailor, he don't like to be in front of the cameras too much, so I would have had him, you know, speak to the camera, but everybody's not comfortable with that. So I'm gonna put his little card information somewhere on the screen as well. So if you guys ever in Pattaya, man, check out my man Aaron, Diana Fashions, holla.